Today we're going to take a look at how to put items on back order for a particular vendor. Out of the box, this is not configured, so there are two settings that we have to set in order to enable this functionality. The first one is our vendor, so we'll go into SMS Pro, we come to Auxiliary, we go to Vendor, we select the vendor that we want to allow back orders on. In this case I'm going to use Weston, so here is Weston. I'll expand this. And in the back order field, we enter the number of days that items can be on back order from this vendor. So in this case, I'm just going to say 10 days. I'm going to apply that. Next, we go to the items and select the items that we want to allow to be on back order. In this case, Weston supplies Gatorade and Pepsi, but we only want the Gatorade to be allowed to be on back order. So we select our Gatorade orange, we come to the back order status, and we select Allow Back Order. We then apply it, and since Gatorade has like codes on it, we can update all the items where they have the same like code. So we'll say yes. Then if we go to our Gatorade fruit, we see the status is allowed back order. Again, the same thing for this Gatorade. Next, we'll go to SMS in order to do our purchase order. So we come to SMS, we go into the buying module, we select the extended module, we go to purchasing, and we say that we're going to create a purchase order for a new vendor. In this case, it's going to be Weston, which is the code B620. And we say create purchase order. Then we go to our items and we select the items that we want to order. So in this case, we're going to say we're going to buy 10 of these, and that's all that we're going to order. Go to lines, we check what's on our purchase order. These are all the items that we've selected. Then we go to totals, we can check on the totals, make sure they're correct, and then we can issue or close the order. Following day, our items come in, so we go to our receiving and we say show me all the open purchase orders that were closed or issued. Here we see our Weston, we open that, we can then see the items that are on the purchase order. We go to lines, we double click, we can see that we're receiving 10, we ordered 10, but in actual fact we're only going to receive 5. We can go to totals, check our totals, and close our receiving. At this point, a couple of days goes by and we want to check our back orders. We come here, we click on back orders, we see that from Weston we still have 5 that are outstanding. So we say that we want to receive this. So we go receive. That creates a new document for us so that we can put a reference into the purchase order because there could be more than one purchase order based on other shipments that were also on back order for the same item. So this gives you an area to put in a reference. So we'll go to our items and then we can say look up back order. So then it'll look up the back order for this particular vendor. We see that we have our orange Gatorade. We're going to say receive this item, and in this case we had 5 on back order. We're only going to receive 2, which will leave us 3 still on back order. We can check our lines again, go to our totals. We're satisfied with that. We say close receiving. Again, if we go back to back orders, we still see that we have 3 outstanding. We can say let's receive these. Again, we come to items, we look up all the back orders for this vendor. We see our Gatorade, we see that we have 3 outstanding. We receive this item, we accept the default value, and we go to totals, and we close our receiving. Now if we go to back orders, we have nothing that we're waiting for. Thank you.